give a few shout outs. My new canopy is thanks to Connie. Connie, it looks great. Thank you so much. And again, Lucy has donated macrame for anyone that buys one of my books until they're gone. We've got this basket full and those hanging. This sits behind my booth. It is the tent I bought this year so that we don't have to crawl around on our hands and knees. But that tent that Frugal RV Gal had here last year sure saved us. But it sure is nice to be able to stand up this year. And we can come back here and sit and get some work done if we need to, right, Frugal?
That's right.
I'm getting a lot of compliments on my booth this year. And you guys, everything that I did and know to do, I learned from this lady right here. Thank you, Joan. Day 3. Here we go. So yesterday, Cheryl came, Camper 58, and relieved Frugal for lunch, and she's back today with my friend Rob, travels with Dottie. And so also yesterday, yeah, they're laughing because I had to stop what I was recording and start over because, you know, I'm new at this YouTube thing, like since 2016.
That's a video bomber.
They're so great. So Cheryl, Pup Camper 58, came yesterday to relieve Jana for lunch, so Frugal RV Gal, go make our lunch, and she ended up staying all afternoon. Why, Jana?
Because I had to go get a new phone because my phone is broke. It's not anymore. I got a new phone.
Woohoo!
Look at I'm got
She's
glitter.
got bling.
I'm jealous.
Frugal will not let me touch the money because I end up like messing all the bookkeeping up and giving away books and just doing crazy stuff. So that's why we have friends that come and sit with me for lunch. And so then Cheryl did double duty. And because she did double duty, our friends Rob and Lisa, who's not here, I was going to say, you're not on camera. Our friends Rob and Lisa, who's not here, also was here yesterday afternoon. And we were just talking and having a good time. And did I get any footage of any of that? No, because why? I'm evidently new on YouTube. So, Frugal, what did you fix for lunch yesterday?
Yeah, I didn't fix anything.
Well, you
had corn dogs.
She bought us lunch yesterday.
Yes.
Corn dogs. They're the best ever.
Well, they're billed as
anywhere.
the world's greatest corn dogs.
They are, and you
they
dip
are.
them in honey.
What was that, Rob?
I bought dessert yesterday.
That's true. Homemade cinnamon rolls from a vendor down the way. Yeah, it was awesome. Old man Jim is in the house.
What did your parole officer say about
So he just asked me, what does my parole officer say about me selling books?
What did he say?
So 2 years ago, Jim brought me this rock.
And isn't it wonderful? I sleep around. And he brought me this one.
Yeah.
This is how I roll.
How cool is that? And you still have them.
Oh, look at here.
What is it?
Oh, it's a list of the books.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Manula, the ones I don't have here.
awesome. We love, and he calls himself Old Man Jim. We don't call him that. Yes, we do, he says. But we love Jim. He made a list of all the books he's already got from me. And which ones did you get today? The Dominion and Recipes. So you're maxed out now. I have to write new books. And you're gonna get a macrame from our friend Lucy.
Thank you.
And awesomeness. And we didn't get to see you last year, I don't think, did we?
We did. You were in that building.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right, at QIA.
Yeah.
Like
That's
the first
right.
QIA.
Well, it won't be the same without seeing you, so I'm glad you dropped by today.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Absolutely. Some of Rob's fans stopped by. Thank you. Thank you. Here she comes, just walking down the street. What's for lunch today, my dear?
Cheese, hot dog,
Ooh, can't wait.
fair food.
Bear food?
Fair food. As in fair.
Fair. I thought you were like bear food. I'm like, really? Bears like that?
Well, they might. This one's mine. This one's yours.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Desert Deb came by. Good to see you again. We last saw each other in Pahrump at my mini meetup.
We did.
That was about 3 years ago, I think. And she is buying my book, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life. And what is the macrame piece that you got?
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there! Yay! And so thank you again, Lucy. Everybody is enjoying getting to pick out their macrame pieces. Yay!
Thank you, Debra.
Yeah, oh, you're welcome. Thank you. And it's so good to see you again. And so that's Desert Deb, and behind you is Annette. Annette, what is your YouTube channel?
Annette's Van Tees.
Annette's Van Tees. That's awesomeness. Where'd Frugal go? She's always disappearing.
I'm right in the middle of eating lunch.
This is Heather, and she came to Quartzsite to meet me, and you just bought all of, hi darling. This is Sydney. Hi baby, she's 13. And you just bought all of my books.
I did.
I am blown away.
Yeah,
It is a pleasure to meet you.
It is good to meet you. I'm just fascinated by who you are, how you are, and just everything that you are is amazing and inspiring, and I want to know more.
Oh, well,
I want to know it all.
Yeah, well, we'll stay in touch, and we can arrange that.
Alrighty.
It's so nice to meet you.
Great to meet you. Thank you so much.
There we go. Now I got you. Okay, so this is Nomad Dar, and he bought my book the other day, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life. Today he came back, and he got Pigeon Story and The Journey Begins, and that used to be Frugal's favorite book till I wrote the trilogy. But I hope you enjoy it.
Remarkable lady right here.
Thank you so much. So Steve, our neighbor where the spinners are, has made us all fresh, baked muffins. What kind are they, Steve?
They're devil's food.
Devil's food. It's so yum. This was filmed on Sunday, January 19th, and I will not open my booth on Monday, January 20th, because high winds are forecasted, anywhere from 25 to 30 miles per hour sustained, with 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts, depending on the weather channel that you follow. So we will be back on Wednesday morning, the 21st, and can't wait to see everybody. Come on out to Tyson Wells, Celarama, January 17th through 26th. We'll see you there.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today.